Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's Leads Leap review video, I'd like to share with you some proof that some more profit and affiliate commissions have recently come in as an affiliate with Leads Leap. And you see here in this row, my total income is now $2,432. More importantly, even as a free member, a free lifetime member, because you get a free lifetime membership with Leads Leap, you can also earn affiliate commissions. I'll just go into my Pro button up here and show you the difference between the free. I'm going to compare the plans. So if you get the free lifetime membership, this one in the left hand column here, I'll scroll all the way down, you'll see the different features and benefits. And it says at the very bottom here, 25% recurring. So if you join Leads Leap, join our team through the link in the description, and you promote Leads Leap, and we're going to give you all the free tools for you to do that, then you can earn 25% monthly recurring commissions when your direct referrals upgrade to Pro. And that's how I started as a free member. And when I got some monthly recurring commissions coming in as free lifetime, I then upgraded to Pro, which is 50% monthly recurring. And if it's within your budget, you'll see here the Pro is $23 a month. So if it's within your budget to do that, then that's great. And if not, just go with the free lifetime membership. You get a lot more features with the Pro. You get the 50% recurring and more features, but just join and work with what's within your budget and just build on that. So let me now show you what you get with this superb set of tools and traffic. Leads Leap's been online since 2008, and all you do to get your free membership, click on the button in the top right hand corner, just set up a username, an email address, your first name and a password, click sign up, and then you're going to get all these superb tools and traffic here. So you're going to get traffic to your websites as a free version. You're going to get 3 offers you can promote. As a Pro member, you can automate 10 offers to promote, and that's automated on autopilot. Now, what I like about Leads Leap is you can get a free list builder, but you can also get unlimited subscribers with the Pro version. So it's a one price. It doesn't matter how many subscribers you get, it stays at a fixed monthly price. And if you compare to other autoresponders, which they're all great, but some of the other autoresponders will charge you a higher price the more subscribers you get. So I chose Leads Leap for the unlimited subscribers at a fixed price. You're going to get the page builder, the pop-up creator, the link tracker, 5 ways to make money, and lots more. If you want more information on any of those, the timeline there of the system itself, if you want some more information, let's say if you want to learn how to get traffic for free, just click on this button here. And it says there 4 ways to get traffic and leads. And if you want to start to build a list, then there's some information down here. And then further down here is Leads Leap for me. So lots of testimonials and questions. But I just recommend that you set up a free account and come inside the members area. And we're going to give you a Leads Leap tutorial series, video training tutorial series to become successful with Leads Leap. One of my favourite features are what's called share codes. Now, this is my complete click engine success system. So what you can do is, if you're promoting any offers, you can get what's called a share code. And all a share code is just different codes for the different pages and email follow-ups within Leads Leap. And you just copy and paste those codes, and you can clone these pages and funnels and systems all for free. So what you'll find is there's thousands of Leads Leap members that have created these lead capture pages, splash pages, welcome pages with all these proof videos on. So you don't have to do any of the work. All you've got to do is just go into Leads Leap, copy and paste that page, that code into your Leads Leap members area, and these complete pages will be cloned. And the same with the email follow-up. So all the work's done for you, especially if you're brand new and you're a beginner and you don't know how to set these pages up, or you haven't learned how to develop that skill yet. Then these share codes are absolutely a game changer, especially for new people as well. So that's another great feature. That's one of my favourite features. If you go onto my blog here, let me show you a couple of things that people are not always aware of. There'll be a link in my description that'll go to my Leads Leap review blog post. Now in the table of contents, I've got all the different tools and features that you use with Leads Leap. So let's say if you want to, as an example, let's say if you wanted to learn how to rank on page 1 of Google fast. All right, you go into your social reviews, watch that video there, and that will teach you, and you can do that for free. You can rank on page 1 of Google using these social reviews. You can even use AI to write them. They're just reviews that you create of any product that you're promoting. And then this video will show you how to get ranked on page 1 of Google. And that's free automated traffic for you. So a lot of these features aren't talked about in other videos. And also another one, let's just go click this arrow down here in the bottom right hand corner. Go back to the top, let's go back to the menu. Now here's another great one for building lists. It's the pop-up creator. So you just click on there, and then talk here about the pop-up creator. Now if you want to see how the pop-up creator works, all you do is move your cursor away from my blog, and here it is. So you can create for free, you can create these little pop-ups that will help you build your email list for free. So that's how I start to build my email list. People put their email and their name in there, and then I build my email list for my Warrior Plus offers. So these are all for free. So great features, really. The value that you get with Leads Leap as a free lifetime member is absolutely superb. Let's just show you over here now what you're going to get with the video tutorial series. So this is a full Leads Leap training course that we're going to give you. If you click the link in the description and you join our team, then we'll give you this free training course. So these are really detailed video tutorials and trainings on how to use all the features in the Leads Leap portfolio. So how to build a list, how to build pages, how to connect pages. This one here that I just showed you, pop-ups, a 10-minute video here, how to set up a pop-up, a bit of a tongue twister. So and also a timeline built in. Here's a timeline on the different steps that you take. So a great feature there for you, a great training. Now, if you don't want to learn by video, if you go back into the home page here of Leads Leap, let's just go back up into dashboard. You've got a quick start guide here. So if you are brand new, just go through these steps here. But you'll see in the top right corner here, there's tutorials. So if you're someone that doesn't learn, depends on your learning style. I like to learn through watching videos, but some people like to read and learn through read and text images. And that's what these tutorials here will do for you. And So it says here how to build a list. So you just click on there, and you've got all the tutorials here. There's text and images, and that will teach you step by step how to build a list with Leads Leap. And there's also a search window there as well. So everything's here that you need to become successful with Leads Leap. So it really is a superb platform. It probably accounts for 80% of my success. These tools work, everything works, everything's beginner friendly and really simple. So there will be an income and product disclaimer in the description. We're not going to make any income claim, product claims or guarantees in this video. It is for educational purposes only. So if you've enjoyed today's video, then please give me a like. I'd really appreciate that. That will help support the growth of my YouTube channel. And please click subscribe and the bell icon, and then you'll get notified of all my new uploads here on the channel. So currently here on the channel, I'm doing several new uploads every week. And if you've got any questions or comments about Leads Leap, please put those in the comments below, and I'll answer those for you. And I always put my email address in the description if you want to contact me through email, and I'll reply to you as soon as I can. So what I recommend you do is just set up a free account, come inside and have a little look, go through the quick start guide, come down here. You're not going to use 90% of this. Don't get overwhelmed by all this information down this menu here. You're not going to use 90% of this when you first start, so don't get overwhelmed. Just take your time with Leads Leap. There's quite a lot of information in here, especially as a new person. Just take your time, learn the different features, develop your skills, and this traffic and this set of tools can really help you succeed in making money online. So it's highly recommended, and just let me know. Send me an email if you've got any questions or comments. I'll put those in the comments below. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.